testing out this new camera here. Not sure how I feel about this lighting right now, but we'll just give it a try and see. I'm about to make dinner and it's like 10 p.m. so yeah, it's pretty late and I'm usually in bed by now, but I'm on a weird sleep schedule because last night kind of messed up my sleep schedule kind of a lot. So yeah, I slept in till I think like 10:30 today. I just had like a really chill day, and that's kind of an understatement. I literally chilled on the couch all day, which was pretty dumb because I have to work a few hours this weekend to kind of catch up on some stuff that I wasn't able to get done during the week. And at this point, I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow, and I have to do like 30 other things tomorrow too, like personal life things. The apartment just feels like a mess. My laundry is like half done. I need to finish my laundry, and yeah, so long story short, I've only been up for like 12 hours total at this point. But because of that, I can get some stuff done, and I need a shower because I'm feeling really greasy. But I just got the DJI Pocket 2 camera and I wanted to test it out, see how I feel about it at nighttime, and then tomorrow I'm going to do like a full-on Sunday vlog. It's going to be silent because Oliver will be sleeping because he works an overnight. He just left for work. But first, I'm going to make a hot dog because I'm really hungry, and I've been loving making air fryer hot dogs in my air fryer here. Ugh, ew. When I tell you the apartment's a mess, I mean it is an absolute disaster, at least in my standards, disaster mess, but I'll show you guys. So yeah, basically I really need to take out the trash. We have all of this recycling to be taken out. Trash can is very full, as you can see, barely staying opened. We got not too many dishes here. I need to more just like put these clean dishes away, but kind of have left a little mess over here. But the main issue for me is I've been just coming inside and throwing all of my stuff on my office chair because I worked on Friday at my coworker's apartment and I just haven't been sitting in this chair since Thursday. So here's all my crap just sitting there, and then Boba's over here hiding in Oliver's chair. But yeah, and then last weekend I went thrifting and I got these little like candlestick holders that go on the wall. They're like candlestick sconce things. I don't even know how to describe them. But I have not put them away or like put them up on the wall, I guess, or even just like move them out of the way. They're like sitting on the counter. They're very much in the way. And I need to just do something with them because it's getting ridiculous. The bedroom kind of looks like a disaster right now, but it's mainly just because the bed is a mess. I think Oliver didn't really like re-straighten the bed like he normally does when he first gets up, but long story short, it's all good, you know, we're just chilling out with the messy apartment a little bit, and it shouldn't take too long to do tomorrow, but I really need to vacuum, but Oliver will be sleeping all day tomorrow, so it'll probably be a late night vacuum. I could vacuum right now, but I'm just not feeling it. I'm really tired. We just went to the gym, so I'm really not in the mood to vacuum right now. Yeah, I just put my hot dogs in the air fryer here. I really being lazy, I should stop talking because I need to toast up these buns. You can just take what you want to toast if it's not like a normal piece of bread, like a hot dog bun or hamburger bun, whatever it might be, croissants, anything. And there's this like warming plate that sits at the top of my toaster, and I'll show you once I put these on. I'll put one on and show you guys. So you can see here there's like this warming plate that like sits on top of the toaster, and then you can put stuff on here and you just push the toast button down, and you would think that it really just warms, but it actually like toasts it. Like I'll show you when these are done. They get really toasty. These are literally about to burst, but I'm gonna put them in for a little bit longer. This nice little dough. Yeah, so look at this, guys. Like toasty bun. And I'm gonna flip it over and get a little bit on the back. All right, guys, when I tell you that these hot dogs are good, like, man, are they good. Not only do I get a toasted bun, but I also air fry the hot dogs. So it's, in my opinion, I think it's, I mean, so you don't get the flavor of grilling, so that's kind of the downside of the air fryer. It doesn't give you that grill flavor, but it does give you the grill consistency. Look at that. Like, that is some grill consistency there. Like, they get really brown. This is so good. It's gonna rain at 3 a.m. Then we got a cold front coming through early in the morning. It's gonna start snowing at 6 a.m. and snow till 11 a.m. So as long as I can wake up early tomorrow, so I really should probably finish this food, like maybe do a quick cleanup of the apartment and go to bed. I should be able to wake up in the morning, have my coffee, chill for a little bit, watch church online, and then go walk to the grocery store, hopefully while it's still snowing, which I think would be fun. But I'm gonna go watch some YouTube. I need to stop consuming and start creating. I'll see you guys later. Very dark right now. I have this issue where I literally can't sleep in an unmade bed. Like, it has to be made or like I'm gonna freak out, all right? So like, check out this bed right now. You know, it's not terrible. For me, this is terrible. Like, no, just a big fat no. So we're gonna pre-make this bed. I'm gonna take a sleeping pill and my birth control, which it is the last birth control, my last blue one. I might not take another pack after this. This might be my last pack. I haven't decided yet, but I've had some pretty bad side effects, I felt like, at least from my birth control. Not sure if it actually was, but I did gain a lot of weight after I started it. I've been a lot more moody, had more anxiety, more like depressive episodes in general, and had some other issues too. But I also have gone through a lot of change right at the same time that I got on birth control. So I got married, moved to a new place, started a new job. I mean, everything changed. I don't really know if it's the birth control or if it's just the stress of everything going on in life. And of course, everything else going on. Not only is it events in my life, but also the events in the world. I'm not really sure how to feel about it, but I don't know. I might stop it, might not. I don't know.
Would you be mad if I did that?
I don't know where my AirPods are.
Is this them?
Baby, you know those aren't them.
Ugh, the smells. It's definitely it.
No, baby, mine are in a case. Yeah, now I am. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, oh my gosh, she's stuck. What just happened?
I knew she was...
Wait, what just...
Maybe she broke her collar off.
She did?
Is she okay?
Wait, is her collar off? Oh, it's a breakaway collar, right? So she got out. Good. That works. That was so funny. Oh, I'm smiling, but you can't even see.
Okay. Like she goes like, she's like, oh my god.
Oh, Chatty. Hello.
See if I come out and someone else is there. Oh yeah, wow, there you really are. Oh wait, what?
I don't recall.
Yeah, it's gonna be for 20. She's gonna be all angry.
Do you want to get a cart? Thank you. You coming?
I couldn't get anywhere.
Yeah, that was pretty nasty, but I was over it and ready to throw that thing away. Remember it like broke like the last day we were there or something. I don't want to do this meeting. I'm tired. It's nice to see someone else bothered by their cat. It's not just me. It's always me. I'm looking good. I'm full until like June now. I keep getting stuff added on at the end of my schedule, so I'm good till June. Yeah, no, not right now. Say hello. Yeah.
Unscanned item. Remember to always scan your card as accessible.